Nearly 7 years later, a trial date still not set for the Crocker murder case in Effingham County. Today, a judge actually saying it needs to come to a resolution after years of delays.
Attorneys were back in court today arguing over charges against one of the three remaining defendants, Mark Wright. He is the step-uncle of the two Effingham County teenagers who were found buried in their family's backyard in 2018. Elwyn Crocker Jr. And Mary Crocker Wright is facing multiple charges in connection to their deaths. If convicted, he faces the death penalty. WTOC's Madeline Bierster was in court today for Wright's hearing.
Today, the judge went through 130 different motions filed by Wright's attorneys one by one, some of them asking to suppress evidence, others asking for things ahead of trial, some of those motions even asking for things during the trial. Some of those motions that the defense is asking for include records of each trial day's transcript, along with video copies of each day at trial to be given to Mr. Wright. They requested a transcript of the grand jury's indictment discussion, as well as producing the negotiations other defendants had regarding testimony against Wright. The defense says a 13-hour interview was recorded with Candace Crocker, the kid's stepmother, and an 8-hour interview with Roy Prater, the kid's step-grandfather. The prosecution objected to most of these. Others they had already complied with. Wright's attorney asked for leniency and says she plans to file even more than the 130 motions already on the record. The judge telling both sides, "We can't keep pushing this case back. I know how old this case is. It's going to be heard and tried and pushed to a resolution." An October deadline for all motions is expected, but the judge says he'll issue an order for specifics. The biggest motion of the day, though, defense attorneys asked to throw out Mark Wright's malice murder charge.
And the fact is that there's nothing there that connects this particular client to any action that would, first of all, indicate malice. I mean, you have to have the intent to kill. There has to be evidence of intent to kill for it to be malice murder.
The prosecution is not required to elect between theories of felony murder and malice murder. That's been the law for, I don't know, 20, 30 years.
The judge made no decisions today. Wright is due back in court on Thursday and Friday. Reporting in Effingham County, Madeline Bierster.